This is Mall of Galleria Abu Dhabi. See, there is a clothes shop which name is Gap. It's a brand. Everywhere are the branded shops. Starbucks is here. We are on the ground floor. It's not big enough like Dubai Mall, but it's yeah, good mall. We are going to the upside because we are here to have some conversation with the Etisalat outlet due to check the packages details. So that's why we are here. So it's an outlet in Dubai Galleria Mall. You can come and visit. It's a Friday afternoon, so mostly the people are on the jobs, but when you come into the evening you will see the many people's here.